Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a casting called Hot Roto. This casting is by Hot Wheels, it's new for 2025. And by what do I understand, it says it's basically a casting which depicts how a Japanese car when mashed up with a hot rod will look. So this is how it should. Let's open it up and see what it has got for us. So here is the Hot Roto out of its box. And like most hot rods, it's highly modified. It looks like somebody chopped the front of a JDM or any car, two-door car, and then filled everything in the front. So most of the details are there, which includes big turbos on the side. And what I read about it, like it's a concept where it uses rotary engines, 4 rotary engines. I don't know why. And then you do get some of these. It says Hot Wheels. I can't really read the other one. Maybe it says CC, FCs, all those. I don't know what this is. Maybe a like some part. I have no clue. But like most hot rods, the front wheels are narrower. Here are much wider, as you can see. There's twin exhaust coming on the side. And yeah, the cabin has a interior which is finished in chrome. With this number 67, you do get tail lamps which are not detailed, as you can see here. Don't see any headlamp in the front. It seems like there's a radiator maybe here. And yeah, there's a trunk, but don't see any place for fuel filler or anything. So yeah, it's a concept basically. They kind of thought what it will look if they had a Japanese car mashed up with a hot rod. Do I really like it? I'm not a big fan of this. I do like casting based on real cars, but again, this is a nice concept. Somebody thought of it, so they made it. It's not just a random Hot Wheels now. Sometimes they do, like you see random ones, right? Like a cupcake or donut. It's not that. But again, doesn't look bad. Not the best out there, but yeah, it's something. If you like hot rods and stuff, you should get it. If not, you might not like this one. So well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.